Good afternoon, students. Welcome to my channel, Maths Easy Mathematically Proven. Today I am going to explain the concept of maximum and minimum values of the quadratic function. What is quadratic function? Quadratic function means an expression which contains a degree is 2 in one variable is called quadratic expression. See here, the general form of the quadratic expression is ax square plus bx plus c. This is quadratic expression. Okay, and also we can say this one as the general equation of the parabola also. Okay, so based on the coefficient of x square value, we can derive whether it has maximum or minimum value. Okay, now if a is greater than 0 means we will get the minimum point. Means how the curve will get over here. See here like this. Minimum point. This is a vertex. You can call it as minimum point vertex. This is the minimum point. If a is less than 0, if it is negative, negative means we will get the maximum value. So the curve will be, for example, the curve will be like this. The vertex will be over here. This is the maximum point over here. Okay, now. So based on the value of a, we can define whether it has maximum or minimum value, minimum point. Okay, now say here, see, if ax square plus bx plus c is given, suppose if I am converting this is in the form of a into x minus b whole square plus q. So how will you find the maximum and minimum point? By converting the expression in the form of a into x minus b whole square plus q. So where b comma q is the vertex. Okay, where b comma q will be the vertex. So okay, so this vertex, if a greater than 0, this point will be, this vertex will be minimum point. If a less than 0 means this b comma q will be the maximum point. So based on that a value we can consider. And the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is nothing but, say here. Actually, what is meant by line of symmetry? Line of symmetry means a geometrical figure divides into two congruent parts. Suppose if we consider this diagram, see here, this line is divided into two congruent parts. So this one also divided into two congruent parts. Okay, now. So the line of symmetry will be x minus b is equals to 0. So by taking this expression, we can find the value of p also. X is equals to minus b by 2a. So this is the line of symmetry. This is we can find the line of symmetry and the minimum and maximum point. Okay, now we'll do some problems based on this maximum point and minimum point. Okay, now see here. So I have taken two questions over here. So we'll solve those two questions and you can understand how to find the maximum point and minimum point. Okay, so the question itself asked x plus 2x square plus 9x plus 4 in the form of a into x plus b whole square plus c, where a, b, c are the constant. Okay, now so we need to express in this. Okay, so and write down the coordinates of the vertex. Okay, y is equals to 2x square plus 9x plus 4 and state whether this is a maximum or minimum point. Okay, now. So by seeing only we can say that one whether it has maximum or minimum. The coefficient of x square is what it is over here. Coefficient of x square. It's nothing but a value is what it is over here. 2. 2 means which is greater than 0. Positive means we will get the minimum point. So by seeing only we can say this. Okay, now. So what is that point? We need to find. First this one is convert into in this form. Is it clear? So 2x square plus 9x plus 4. Okay, now first we have to convert in the form of a into x plus b whole square plus c. So 2 if I take common over here, x square plus 9 by 2 x. This constant keep it aside. Okay, So now we know very well about that, how to do completing square problems to make it perfect square. So coefficient of x is 9 by 2. So divide by 2. What we are getting 9 by 4. Whatever you are getting this value, you do square of that and adding and subtract. Okay now. So x square plus 9 by 2 x plus 9 by 4 whole square minus 9 by 4 whole square. I'm adding and subtracting. Close the bracket plus 2. So now simplify this one. So what it is, this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b whole square. So 2 into x plus 9 by 4 whole square. This we multiply. 2 into 9 square is 81 by 4 square is 16 plus. Now simplify this one. 2 into. Okay. So x plus 9 by 4 whole square as it is. Now 2 times 1, 2 times 8. So what we'll get over here? 8 is the LCM. Okay now. 8 times 4 is 32. 32. 81 minus 32, how much over here? So 9. 7 minus 3, 4, 49. So 49 by minus 49 by 8. Okay, so now it is in the form of a into x plus b whole square plus c. Whereas, what is the a value over here? What is the value of a? A is equals to 2. So b value will be 9 by 4. And c value will be how much over here? 49 by minus 49 by 8. Okay, we got the value. Now we need to find the vertex over here. How will you find the vertex? P comma Q, just now I told you. So if it is in the form of a into, just now I told a into x minus p whole square plus q. So x minus p, here a in the form of x plus 9 by 4, whereas p is equals to minus 9 by 4. Okay, and q will be what it is here, minus 49 by 8. So therefore the minimum point, what it is over here, minimum point is p comma q minus 9 by 4 comma minus 49 by 8. So this is a way to simplify the problem. So it has minimum value. Why? Because it is the coefficient of x square is greater than 0. Okay, so this is a very simplified. So let us do one more problem regarding maximum point. Okay, now see here. Okay, now see here. Here the question is given that write 1 plus x minus 2x square in the form of p minus 2 of x minus 2 whole square. So sketch the graph. Okay, we'll draw the graph also. And first of all, whether it has maximum or minimum. Coefficient of x square, what it is over here? Coefficient of x square is minus 2. So it is less than 0 means what we will get over here? Maximum point. Okay now. So now see here. First this one will convert that. 1 plus x minus 2x square. So which is equals to 1. Minus 2 you take common, x square minus x square. Okay, so I'm taking minus 2 common. So here plus x is here, minus x by 2 will be there. So adding and subtracting what? X by 1 by 2 is there. Divided by 2, x portion is 1 by 2. Divided by 2 is what? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 whole square, adding and subtracting. X square, x by 2, 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square. Close this. So now it is in the form of what it is, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square. So 1 minus 2 x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus into minus plus 2 into 1 by 16. So 2 times minus 1, 2 times 8. Is it clear? So 1 plus 1 by 8 is how much over here? 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 8. 9 by 8 minus 2 of x minus 1 by 4 whole square. So it is in the form of p minus of 2 into x minus q whole square. So 9. So whereas p will be what it is over here 9 by 8 and q will be what it is over here 1 by 2. Okay, so what is the maximum point over here? Already I told you the coefficient of x square is negative. So maximum point will be maximum point. This is a value. This is p. This is p. Why? Because generally just now I told you a into x minus p whole square plus q number. So that way also. Okay. So 1 by 4 comma 9 by 8. So this is the maximum point. Now how to draw the diagram here? Very easy. When you draw this diagram, okay, so better you do one thing. First you find the x coordinates over here, then y is equals to 0. If you are getting factorization, do factorization, or else just you draw that one. Means let us see here. Put x is equals to 0 means y will be 1 here. So the curve, actually the curve will be what it is like this it will be. Where it is intersecting, you check further. On a y-axis at y. If x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. Okay. If x is equals to 0, y value will be 1. And how did I draw like this means? However, this has maximum, the curve will be like this. So these 2 points also you can find. If put y is equals to 0, y is equals to 0 means 1 plus x minus 2x square is equals to 0. So 2x square minus common minus x minus. What are the factors? 2 into minus 2. So 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So if I take 2x common, x minus 1, yeah, plus 1 common, okay, x minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so now x minus 1 if I take common, so 2x plus 1. So x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1, x is equals to minus 1. So this is how we have to simplify the you have to draw the graph. So 1 by 4, this point will be 1 by 4 comma 9 by 8. Okay, is it clear? Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel.